Hello friends, welcome to my channel Ayur Learning. In this video we are going to deal with the Vatsakalpa Adhyay from Charak Samhita, that is the Charakalpastan 5th Adhyay, Vatsakalpa Adhyay. Here in this chapter or Adhyay, here we see that the main three heads are explained about the Vatsak. Vatsak means cottage. So the types of Vatsak, synonyms and the Kalpa means the yoga of Vatsak are explained. So first of all we will see the synonyms of as per the sequence of shloka. First there are the synonyms. So we see here I've written all the synonyms from the shloka, that are the Vatsak, Kutaj, Shukra, Vrukshak, Girimallika, and the synonyms for Vatsak Bij, that is the seed of the Kutaj, are Indrayav and Kalingak. So I am repeating it again: Vatsak, Kutaj, Shukra, Vrukshak and Girimallika. These are the synonyms of the Vatsak. And for the Vatsak Bij, there are different synonyms they have mentioned, that are the Indrayav and Kalinga. This is the very important point to remember, as it can be asked in entrance exam. So the synonym for Vatsak Bij or the Kutak Bij, it can be given as the Indrayav, or according to Charak, Indrayav, Kalinga, both A and B. So we have to remember both of them, Indrayav and Kalinga. So then next we see the types of Vatsak. So the types of Vatsak are the Purush, that is the male variety, and the female variety. So we have here Purush and the Stri. The Purush type have Bruhat Phala, that means the fruits of this plant are Bruhat, means bigger ones, Bruhat Phala. Then Shweta Pushpa, they are Shwet, white in color. The flowers are white in color, the fruits are bigger ones. And the Snigdha Patra, the Patra means the leaves, they are Snigdha in nature. So Bruhat Phala, Shweta Pushpa and Snigdha Patra, these are the characteristics of the Purush Vatsak. And for the Stri Vatsak, we see that Shama or Arun, Shama or Arun Pushpa. We have seen here there are Shweta Pushpa, but here Shama or Arun Pushpa, Arun Varna Pushpa, and the Phalavrunta. The Phalavrunta is Anu in nature. Here we see that Phala is Bruhat Phala, but the in Stri Vatsak we see the Phalavrunta is Anu. So this is the difference between the Purush and Stri Vatsak: Bruhat Phala, Shweta Pushpa, Snigdha Patra. And for the Stri it is Shama, Aruna Pushpa and Anu Phalavrunta. But though there are differences here in the fruits and pushpa etc., but the both of them can be used in Sukumar Vyaktis. So indications, we see the indications here. Indications are, it is both of the types or varieties can be used in Sukumar people. In Rakta Pitta Vyadi, both are Kafagna, also Ridya. We see that they are Ridya, sorry, my heart. Then Jwara and Vatarakta Visarpa. So all these are the indications for using the Vatsak. Then we see the third point of that we have seen synonyms, types, and now the Kalpa. Here in Kalpastan, Vatsakalpa Adhyay, total 18 Kalpa or Yog of Vatsak are explained. So these are the total. So how they are divided now? So first of all there are some Kashaya Yogas. Then second Arkadugdha Bhavit with Arkadugdha Bhavit Churna. Third Ambu. And fourth one is Krushra Yoga. So I will write them first. So the Kashaya Yogas are 9. Then Arkadugdha Bhavit Churnas are 5. Ambu 3. And the Krushra remaining 1. Total this becomes 18. So the Kashaya Yogas are with different dravyas like Rakta Chandan, Yashti Madhu, again Kadamba, Shanapushpi, Apamarga, etc. Quad. And we have to use the Vatsak Bij, that is Indraya, in Antarnaka Mushti Matra. They have mentioned the Matra Antarnakamushri. We have to remember that in the shloka number 7 it's mentioned Tesham Antarnakamushri Jarjari Kruta Bhavayet. So the Indrayav, which that is the beach of the Kutat, should be used in Antarnakamushri Pramana, and then it should be mixed up with the Kashaya of the following dravyas. Any one of the 9 Kashaya yogas we have to use it for the Vaman purpose, and it is relieving the Pitta and Kapha, that are Pitta Kapha Nashak. So there are like that's 9 yogas. Then again Arka Dugdha Bhavit, these are 5 yogas. It is with Madanfal, Chimutak, Jivanti, Ikshvaku, like this dravyas. The churna of this Indrayav, which is given the bhavna with Arka Dugdha for 8 nights, that is used with all these 5 dravyas. So there are 5 yoga. Then the Ambu Yoga, there are 3 Ambu Yoga. It's not that important, but there are only 3, so we must not skip them. There are 3 yogas, which are Sarshab, then Madhuk, and Lavan. So the Jal, Lavan Jal, Madhuk Jal and Sarshab Jal, in them when we mix up the Vatsak Churna, that is Indrayav Churna, sorry, then these yogas are named as the Ambu Yoga. There are 3 Ambu Yogas which are with Sarshab Jal, Madhuk Jal or Lavan Jal, and the remaining one is the Krushra. So this becomes total 18. So this is all about Vatsakalpa Adhyay. We see that the synonyms are Vatsa, Kutish, Shukra, Vriksha, Giri, Malika, and the special paryay for its bees are Indrayav and Kalingak. And 2 types, Purush, 3, differences between them and indications. It can be used in Sukumar, Raktapitta, Kapha, Kshamak, and etc. So total number, this is the very important number. We should not forget that there are 18 kalpa, or total 18 yogas explained in Charak Kalpistan 5th, that is the Vatsakalpa Adhyay. Then here they can ask about how many Ambu yogas are there. So we have to mention that there are 3 Ambu yogas of Vatsak, and if they ask about Krushra Yoga, it is only 1. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.